Good day, everyone. Today we are going to have another reading lesson. Today we will read words with consonant blend, and this is already lesson 10. Once again, this is teacher Yumi. Please don't forget to subscribe and please click the bell button so that you will get notified for my next video upload. So are you ready? Let us start. We have the PR or the per blend. Per ank, prank, per air, prayer, per effer, refer, per s, press, per itty, pretty, per a, pray, per ice, price, per eyed, pride, per ince, prince, per int, print, per eyes, prize, per pro, per prom, per proof, per out, proud, per prove, per a, pray, per I, pry. Okay, this time let's read together. Prank, prayer, prefer, press, pretty, price, pride, prince, print, prize, prom, proof, proud, prove, pry, pray, pray. Okay, I want you to read it alone. I hope that you learned from today's reading lesson. Once again, this is teacher me saying thank you and God bless. And for lesson 1 up to lesson 9, just visit my channel. You have there a playlist consisting of consonant blend words.